Hello, my friends. This is Dr. Richard. I'm 60 years old, and welcome to Health Hub Central, a place where we share simple, practical, and powerful ways to stay strong and healthy after 50. If this is your first time here, I'd love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so every week you and I can sit down together like this, not as doctor and patient, but as two friends having an honest conversation about life and health. Today, I want to share with you something that may surprise you. It's not a new supplement, not a fancy pill, not an expensive treatment. It's something humble, something you probably grew up with: mung beans. Do you remember the last time you had a bowl of mung bean soup? Maybe your mother made it when you were a child or when you were sick because it was light, soothing, and easy to digest. But have you ever thought that this tiny little bean could actually protect your heart, strengthen your muscles, and even stop those painful leg cramps that wake you up at night? I think of one of my patients, William, 72 years old. He came to me and said, "Doctor, I can't even climb a few steps without stopping to catch my breath." But after making one small change, adding mung beans with a few simple foods into his daily diet, he came back a few months later smiling. "I'm still old, but stairs don't scare me anymore." That's when I'm reminded of something important. Sometimes the most powerful medicine doesn't come in a bottle, it comes from the kitchen. After the age of 50, our bodies change. We face three common struggles: loss of muscle strength, what doctors call sarcopenia. Your legs feel weaker, and everyday tasks become harder. Leg cramps and stiffness, often at night, caused by low magnesium, potassium, or poor circulation. Heart and blood pressure issues. Cholesterol creeps up, blood sugar gets harder to manage. This is exactly where mung beans shine. Why? They're rich in plant-based protein, easy to digest and perfect for aging muscles. They contain soluble fiber to lower cholesterol and balance blood sugar. They're full of magnesium, potassium, and zinc, nutrients that calm cramps and support heart health. And they're packed with antioxidants, slowing down aging at the cellular level. Think of your body like a house. After 50, the roof starts to leak, the walls begin to crack. Mung beans are like the bricks and mortar that keep the house standing strong for years to come. Mung beans plus brown rice. Together, they create a complete protein with all essential amino acids, perfect for rebuilding muscles. One of my patients, Linda, 68, used to shake when standing too long. After 3 months of eating brown rice and mung bean porridge, she told me, "Doctor, I can cook for hours without needing a chair." Mung beans plus pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium and zinc. When paired with mung beans, they're a natural remedy for night cramps. Harold, a retired teacher, told me, "I used to wake up every morning with tight calves. Now I sleep through the night without pain." Mung beans plus oats. Oats contain beta-glucan to lower cholesterol. With mung beans, you get long-lasting energy and a healthy heart. I often say, a bowl of oat and mung bean porridge is better than a bottle of heart pills. Mung beans plus bananas. Bananas bring potassium, essential for blood pressure and heart rhythm. A banana, mung bean smoothie is not only delicious but also deeply nourishing. Mung beans plus soybeans. Soy isoflavones protect bones in postmenopausal women. Combined with mung beans, it's a powerful support for joints and bones. Susan, 64, shared with me, "I drink mung bean, soy milk daily, and my knees don't ache like before." Mung beans plus quinoa. Quinoa and mung beans together create a high-quality protein powerhouse. One of my male patients in his 70s told me, "Doctor, I feel like I have the legs of a 40-year-old again." Each of these pairings teaches us something more than nutrition. They remind us that when two simple things come together, they create something far greater. Health works the same way as life. It's not about complicated solutions, but about simple, steady habits that add up. Mung beans whisper a small truth. Wellness doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. It just needs consistency and care. Closing, 2 minutes. So today, We've discovered how mung beans can rebuild muscles, protect your heart, ease nighttime cramps, and give you back energy you thought was gone. Health after 60 is like a garden. If you patiently plant and nurture, the flowers still bloom, the fruit still ripens. Mung beans are one of those precious seeds you can sow every day. Let me ask you, are you ready to begin with something as simple as a bowl of mung beans each morning? Because sometimes, the smallest choices bring the biggest results. If this video inspired you, please hit subscribe, share it with a friend, and leave me a comment below. Have you tried mung beans before? And how do you like to cook them? I'd love to hear your stories. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.